Today we're looking into a transformative period that's fast approaching, humanity's great shift in 2024. This video will explore what the shift entails and how it could significantly impact every aspect of our lives, from technology and the economy to environmental sustainability and personal spiritual growth. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to not only navigate these changes, but to thrive amidst them. Let's get ready to look into what the future might hold and how we can prepare for it effectively. First, let's talk about what we mean by the Great Shift. It's a term that encompasses significant global changes that affect various aspects of life on Earth. From how we interact with technology to how we respond to environmental challenges and even how we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe, everything is included. The Great Shift is not just a change, it's a series of transformative events that could alter the way we live in profound ways. And now, why 2024? While change is a constant in our world, certain years seem to bring more pronounced shifts, and based on current trends in technology, societal movements, and global consciousness, 2024 is shaping up to be one of those times. And it's important to note that these changes are not confined to one country or region. They are truly global, affecting everyone in some way. Let's break this down a bit. Think about how fast technology is evolving. Every day there are new advancements that promise to make life easier, more connected, or more efficient. Then consider the economy. Shifts here can mean changes in job opportunities, the way money works and is used, and even how basic necessities are accessed. And we must not overlook the environment. Our planet's health affects every aspect of our lives. In history, we've seen periods of intense change that led to major shifts in how societies function. While the specifics of past shifts were different, the underlying themes of transformation and adaptation are consistent. These historical insights help us understand that while change can be challenging, it also brings opportunities for growth and improvement. Moving on, let's look into the changes we expect to see in 2024 across various domains. Starting with technological innovations, 2024 could bring breakthroughs that we've only just begun to imagine. We're talking about advancements in artificial intelligence that could revolutionize industries, renewable energy technologies that make green power more accessible than ever, and maybe even new milestones in space exploration. Each of these areas not only represents a leap forward in capability, but also a fundamental shift in how we approach problems and solutions. Economically, the landscape might look quite different. We could see a shift towards more decentralized and digital financial systems, perhaps driven by the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. This could reshape not just banking, but all of commerce, making transactions faster, more secure, and less dependent on traditional financial infrastructures. The environmental impact of these changes could be significant. As awareness of climate change and its consequences grows, we can expect to see a greater emphasis on sustainability. This might mean new policies that prioritize environmental protection, but it will also likely mean a shift in how businesses operate and how individuals live their daily lives. More of us might choose or find it necessary to adopt lifestyles that minimize environmental impact. This comprehensive view of the anticipated changes in 2023 is just the beginning. As we continue to explore what these shifts might mean and how they could unfold, it's important to consider not just the external changes, but also how they affect us internally and how we can prepare ourselves mentally and emotionally. In the next sections of this video, we will discuss exactly that, how to prepare for and adapt to these transformative times. As we've explored the broader implications of the anticipated shifts in 2024, it's crucial to also focus on what this means for each of us on a personal level. Changes in technology, economy, and environment are not just external forces. They affect our lives, our work, and our inner landscapes. One of the most profound areas impacted by these shifts is our spiritual and mental well-being. The concept of a spiritual awakening or enhancement of personal awareness is central to understanding the effects of global changes on an individual level. With the world changing rapidly around us, there's a parallel process that often happens within us. Our perspectives might shift, leading to deeper understanding and new ways of thinking about our lives and the world. For many, this can feel like a spiritual awakening, a realization of deeper truths that were previously obscured by the routine of daily life. Such awakenings or shifts in perspective are not always comfortable. They challenge us to rethink our values, our goals, and the way we interact with the world. This is why it's equally important to discuss mental and emotional preparation. As 2024 approaches with its potential for significant change, maintaining mental health and emotional resilience will be more crucial than ever. Strategies like regular meditation, mindfulness practices, or simply maintaining a journal can help ground your thoughts and feelings, providing a stable base in turbulent times. Accepting these personal shifts involves recognizing the opportunities for growth they present. While change can be daunting, it also opens doors to new possibilities for learning, improving, and even transforming our lives. By aligning our personal development with these global shifts, we can navigate the changes more effectively and with greater peace of mind. Preparing for the shift of 2024 involves practical steps as well as mental and emotional readiness. Let's talk about some of the ways you can prepare for the changes we've discussed, focusing first on adapting to technological innovations. As technology advances, staying informed and adaptable is key. This doesn't mean you need to become an expert in every new technology that emerges, but having a basic understanding of new tools and how they might impact your life is essential. Whether it's learning how to use new software, understanding the basics of artificial intelligence, or keeping up with developments in renewable energy, your ability to adapt will serve you well. Financial readiness is another critical aspect of preparation. With potential economic shifts on the horizon, it's wise to look at your financial situation and consider ways to make it more resilient. This could mean diversifying your investments, learning about new financial tools like cryptocurrencies, or simply saving more effectively. The key is to ensure that you are not overly dependent on any single income source or financial system. As we move forward, embracing the great shift of 2024 involves not just adapting to changes, but actively seeking to benefit from them. This section will guide you through understanding how to turn the upcoming transformations into personal growth opportunities, helping you to not just navigate but excel during these times. Change, as we've discussed, is inevitable and all-encompassing. It affects our technologies, economies, and environments, but it also offers us a unique chance to grow. Seeing these changes as opportunities requires a shift in mindset. Instead of viewing them as hurdles, think of them as gateways to learning new skills, expanding your knowledge, and even reshaping your life's direction. For instance, learning about new technologies not only prepares you for a tech-driven future, but also opens up new career pathways and hobbies. Accepting change positively affects our vision of the future. It allows us to dream bigger and set more ambitious goals. Imagine a future where you are not just a passive participant, but an active contributor to societal and technological advancements. What role do you want to play in this new world? How can you contribute to making the environment more sustainable or the economy more inclusive? By asking these questions, you start to see the broader impact of your actions and the potential to influence the world positively. Thinking about the future in the context of the Great Shift leads us naturally into setting a clear vision. What kind of world do we want to live in post-2024? How do we see ourselves and our communities evolving? It's important to envision a positive outcome from the shifts we anticipate. Doing so not only provides motivation, but also helps in setting a clear path forward. Creating a vision for the future also involves preparing to play your part in this evolving world. It means being informed, staying adaptable, and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. It requires continuous learning and openness to new experiences. Each step you take, whether small or large, contributes to this broader vision, making it gradually a reality. The Great Shift of 2024 presents a series of challenges, but also countless opportunities for personal and global transformation. By understanding these changes, preparing adequately, embracing them, and setting a vision for the future, we can all play a part in shaping a better world. Remember, the decisions and preparations you make today will not only impact your immediate future, but will also set the groundwork for long-term achievements and well-being. So let's approach this shift with optimism and proactive engagement. Let's prepare, adapt, and look forward to a future that we have played a part in creating. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies by turning on notifications for our channel, Soul Therapy. Let's navigate these changes together and build a future that reflects our highest aspirations.